Guys, I just got back from my run. I run at night now. I'm a night owl. I hate waking up early. She likes waking up early. Going at night is just so much better for me. Anyway, I've been stretching before and after, but like I'm still hurting, like especially in my knees, like every day, 24/7. It just hurts. Like I'm running less and less when I go out because it just hurts so much. What am I doing wrong? Is it really just like needing to get the right shoes, which I'm working on that. But like if people just don't have the right shoes, they just don't go running. Like, and I don't want to just skip out on the workout just because I don't have the right shoes. I don't know. Tell me what kind of stretches am I needing to do? I'm doing all the leg stretches that I know. Whatever. If you guys have any tips and tricks to not hurt constantly being a runner, let me know. Comment them down below. I need them. I really need any tip that you can give me. Any advice you can give me. I tried to go running last night, but my knees hurt too much. I decided to just go for like a really long walk. And I went to my old neighborhood, which is literally just across the main road. And I don't know, looked at the old house and visited my old best friend's house. It took me a minute to like realize which house was hers, but the door is staying still. It got like a window, like an oval window in the door, and that's how I recognized it. I'm like, oh yeah, I totally forgot she had that door, but she did. And I should have taken you guys on a tour, but it was late at night. I don't know, maybe I should try that tonight. I could do it again and give you guys a tour of where my old house was and tell you some stories that happened in that neighborhood. You know what? Maybe I will do it tonight. It'll be dark, but we'll try. We'll see if we can do it. So I know you could barely see it, but there's the church that I went to, Mormon church, because I used to be Mormon. Yeah, there's another one at the bottom of this hill over here, but I probably won't get to that. Okay, so this corner right here, there was an ice cream truck years and years and years ago, and that's where I met my ex-best friend Alicia at, because her mom bought me ice cream. And I know it's like really dark, you can't see anything, but this was my best friend's house. I can tell because of the door and the window. The house right there at the end had a friend who had a treehouse in the backyard there. Lit. Okay, so I couldn't show my house because they were just getting home. I didn't want to like film their house as I'm walking by as they're getting home, even though it's my house. No, it's their house, and I gotta be respectful. So maybe another day I can go back around and show you my old house. Okay, so this road here, it like winds all the way down. Call it Snake Hill. And I remember it being a lot steeper than it actually is. But we would take like our bikes or scooters and just go down as fast as we fucking possibly could. Fun times. Okay, so that's it for the little tour. I'm headed back to my neighborhood now and going to bed. Okay, there's the church at the beginning. I didn't go on as long as a walk as I did like yesterday, or I wanted to. But it's so goddamn hot. I was even questioning going at all, but need to get in the exercise, so we're doing it. Making cornhole boards. Helping my dad do it.
Cold? No, it's nice and hot.
You lying to me right now?
It's very cold. Very.
Do a flip.
Ooh. It's a lot colder on my legs than in my hands.
It's so pretty. I'm gonna be a fat ass and get one more ice cream sandwich. What then?
You grill meatballs.
I tried.
Meatballs.
I want some grilled meatballs.
Am I giving it to you?
Oh,
Can you hand me that?
shit. I put my hands in the water.
I really.
Hi, Mom. Just jump in.
No.
No.
Jump in.
They're working on it right now. Right now.
Jump.
Feels like my baby grinding it off.
Feels like what?
This is what it's like to be a son.
Oh.
Alright then. Watch out.
To the deep end.
Yeah, I finished painting the boards. Got Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and then I'm thinking of putting like stickers, if I can find any on Amazon, of like the Hogwarts emblem or something on both of them, just to give a little something extra. And then I gotta make the bags with my mom. Yay!